Hi everyone, now see the second part of the Kirchhoff's law. In that second part of the Kirchhoff's current law, here see the circuit diagram of Kirchhoff's current law. In this circuit diagram, connected three different values of the resistors are which are connected in a parallel. Okay, here used a 10 kilo ohm resistor, 12 kilo ohm resistor and 15 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, these different value of the resistors are connected in a parallel. Okay, in these different three resistors, one terminal is connected to the common. Here see the different three resistor terminals are which are connected in a common and connected to the measure the current. Here used a millimeter. Okay, used in a 0 to 100 millimeter connected in a one terminal of the millimeter, and these different values of the resistors another terminal which are connected in a different 3 millimeters in a value of the 0 to 10 milliampere. Okay, measure the current in each resistor flowing through the current. Okay, and which are the common and connected to the variable power supply. Okay, V is equal to 0 to 10. Actually these circuit diagram here in a practical our laboratory see the chassis of this given Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, here in a Kirchhoff's current law three different values. Okay, here see the color bands of the resistorच्या कलर बँडवरून आपण त्याची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करत असतो. ओके, त्या डिफरंट व्हॅल्यूचे रेजिस्टर हे पॅरलली कनेक्ट केलेले आहेत, एका खाली एक कनेक्ट केले आहेत बघा. आणि याचं जे एक टर्मिनल असेल इथं बघा याच्यामध्ये सी द वन टर्मिनल इज कनेक्टेड टू दी कॉमन. काय केलेले आहेत ह्याचे रेजिस्टरचे कॉमन केलेले आहेत वन टर्मिनल, आणि हा आपण कशाला कनेक्ट करणार आहे तर जो आपण करंट मेजर करणार आहे मिलीॲमीटर इन फिगर शोज द 0 to 100 millimeter. ओके, करंट मीटरला आपण हे नॉब कनेक्ट करणार आहे करंट मीटरच्या निगेटिव्हला. ओके, देन हिअर सी इन आवर चॅसी सेकंड टर्मिनल ऑफ द इच रेजिस्टर. प्रत्येक रेजिस्टरचं जे सेकंड टर्मिनल असेल ते काय केलेले सेपरेटली इथं वायर काढून ठेवलेले आहे बघा, की जेणेकरून आपण काय करणार आहे की हे सेकंड टर्मिनल आहे हे आपण प्रत्येक रेजिस्टरमधून फ्लो होणारा करंट हा आपण मेजर करणार आहे. दॅट इज द I1, I2 अँड I3. ओके, बाय युजिंग द 0 to 10 millimeter करंट मीटर्स. हिअर सी द 0 to 10 millimeter करंट मीटर्स हे असे आपण 3 different millimeters कनेक्ट करणार आहे बघा. इन मेजर दी करंट्स फ्लोइंग थ्रू दी इच resistor. Okay, 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 0 to 10, and here 0 to 100. So here used 0 to 15. Okay, value of the current meters used to the capital I in currents flowing through the all resistors. Okay, and here see the power supply which are applied to the input of the this given circuit. Okay, here says in our diagram phi is equal to 0 to 10 and vary म्हटले बघा इथं ह्याला ॲरो दिलेला आहे, म्हणजे आपण हा हे व्होल्टेज काय करणार आहे व्हॅरी करणार आहे. 0 to 10 असेल किंवा आपण डिफरंट 5 व्हॅल्यूज व्होल्टेजेस डिफरंट 5 करंट्स मेजर करणार आहे ह्याच्यामध्ये किंवा ऑब्झर्व करणार आहे. त्यासाठी हा जो पॉवर सप्लाय असेल याच्यावरून आपण काय करणार आहे तर डिफरंट जे व्होल्टेज असेल ते व्हॅरी करणार आहे. ओके, 1 to 5. Okay, now connected in this way by using the wires or crocodile pins. Here these connections are made by using the crocodiles or different wires by using the current measure millimeter. Okay, ammeters, 3 different types of the current meters. Okay, now see here connection is as per circuit diagram made by the using crocodiles or different wires. Okay, here see in resistor each terminal is commonly connected to the current meter in a negative terminal, and each resistor second terminal is connected to the current meter's positive terminal, and remaining terminals are commonly connected to the power supply negative terminal. Okay, here see the first resistor's flowing current is observed to the first current meter, that is the I1. Second resistor's flowing current is measured to the or observed to the second millimeter, that is the I2, and third resistor's flowing current is observed in a third current meter, that is the I3. ओके, I1, I2 अँड I3 3 डिफरंट रेजिस्टर्समधून फ्लो होणारा करंट हा आपण इथं मेजर करणार आहे. त्याचबरोबर इच रेजिस्टर्स वन टर्मिनल इज कॉमनली कनेक्टेड टू दिस 0 to 15 current meter. Okay, that is the millimeter. So this is the I, capital I. Okay, and this current meter is connected second terminal, that is the positive terminal is connected to the power supply. See the power supply, and this power supply is here used in a variable, that means the input is vary 1 to 5 of the 5 readings. Okay, see here 0 to 10 current meters are used here, observe to the currents. Okay, now see the first current meter is the 0 to 10. In that these current meters observe to the 0 to 10. In that the small readings, that means the small lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. 10 is the 2. So one line value is the here. See the draw the 0 to 10. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 number is the means the 2 current. So this small line value is the 0.2 current. Okay, then 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1. Okay, now see the 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8 and 2, that is the 0 to 10. Okay, millimeter, that means the current meter. We are used in a observe to the current meter 0 to 10 I1, I2 and I3. Now see second millimeter is the current meter is the 0 to 25. Okay, now see in the 0 to 25 here again 10 lines, 10 number line is the 5 current. Okay, so here calculate the one line value. Okay, here now see the second 0 to 25 current meter. In that one line is the 0.5. So 0.5 1, 1.5 2, 2.5 3, 3.5 4, 4.5 and 5. So one line value is the 0.5. Okay, see the connection as per given circuit diagram. Okay, now see the how the observe in a readings in a 1 by 1. Now see the procedure of second part of the Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, in that make the connections as shown in the figure. Okay, get them check and show on the power supply. Measure the current flowing through main branch, that means the I. Similarly measure the currents I1, I2, I3 flowing through the resistor R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Okay, and show that the I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 and repeat the same procedure for 5 different currents. Okay, आपण याच्यामध्ये बघूया आता ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल फॉर द करंट लॉ. ओके, इन द गिवन ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल इन दॅट द सिरियल नंबर 1 to 5 I1 in a millimeter current, I2 current in a millimeter, I3 current in a millimeter. ओके, इन दिस I1, I2 and I3 आपण कसा घेणार आहे बघा. तर I1, I2, I3 फर्स्ट रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉस जो आपण जोडलेला मिलीमीटर असेल तो I1 असेल. सी द I1. ओके, सेकंड द I2 and third is the I3. Okay, and capital I, mean I, this is the mean I which are connected in a across the parallel 3 resistors and power supply. Okay, then second I observe. Okay, see the this 0 to 25 current meter is connected in a resistor across the resistor to the power supply. This is the mean I, and I calculated. See the I calculated is addition of the I1, I2 and I3. Okay, now see the first reading is used to the here first reading of the here. See the in power supply voltage is 1 volt. ओके, पॉवर सप्लाय थ्रू आपण काय केलेलं आहे बघा, व्होल्टेज हे 1 दिलेलं आहे. नाव सी द फर्स्ट रेजिस्टर्स फ्लोईंग करंट इन I1. नाव सी द I1 किती आहे बघा I1 करंट, तर याच्यामध्ये 0 to 10 ला 1 लाईनची व्हॅल्यू मी किती सांगितलं ती 0.2 सांगितली होती. ओके, तर किती लाईनवरती आहे, तर कितव्या लाईनवरती आहे हे, तर 4th नंबरच्या लाईनवरती आहे. ओके, ॲरो कोणत्या लाईनवरती, 4th नंबर, म्हणजेच किती येणार आहे 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. ओके, I1 is the 0.8. Here right now the I1 is the 0.8. Okay, then second I2. Now see the I2 is the which number of the lines, I2 is the 5 number of the lines, so I2 is the current is the 1. Here right now the I2 is 1. Then I3 is the which number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means the 1.2 1.4. Here right now the 1.4. Okay, and secondary has large voltage. Secondary has that is the stable. Okay, now see the observer I is the here used a current meter 0 to 25 and one line's value is the 0.5. So this arrow is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 number of the lines. Okay, 7 number of the lines is the 3.5. So here right now the I observe is the 3.5. Okay, and I calculated that means the I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, now see the calculated current is I1 plus I2 plus I3. I1 current is 0.8 plus I2 current is observed 1 plus I3 current is 1.4. Okay, see the calculated current is 3.2. Here right now the 3.2. Okay, see the I1 current 0.8, I2 current 1, I3 current is a 1.4. Current I is observed in 3.5 and calculated is the 3.2. Okay, both observed and calculated currents are almost equal. Okay, in this way the different 5 readings are observed. Okay, see the here in the power supply is increase 1 to 2. फर्स्टला 1 होता पॉवर सप्लाय, आता आपण तो व्हॅरी करतोय म्हणजेच 2 करतोय. ओके, इन दिस सेकंड रीडिंग power supply is 2, so serial number here right now the 2. Then again calculate the current I1, current I2, current I3, mean current, observed current I, and then again calculated current I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, now see the in this way different 5 readings, that means the different 1 to 5 voltages are applied and different 5 readings are observed. Okay, in the given design. Okay, here see the current serial number 1 to 5, that means the applied voltage 1 to 5 and observe to the current I1, current I2, current I3, I observed and I calculated. Here see the observed current and calculated currents both are the almost equal. Okay, in that observation of this table it is found that the observed current and calculated currents both are the almost equal, hence the Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, see once again the design, okay, or connections of the given Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, how to observe, how to calculate it of the currents in a given connections. Okay, so here in the result, see in the result phi is equal to, that means the voltage is equal to voltage V1 plus voltage V2 plus voltage V3, hence the Kirchhoff's voltage law is verified. That means the calculated voltage and observed voltage, both voltages are almost equal. Then current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, hence the Kirchhoff's current law is verified. That means the calculated current and observed current, both currents are almost equal. Okay, see here the statement Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law. Firstly, statement of the Kirchhoff's voltage law, in that the algebraic sum of all voltages around any closed loop path is equal to 0. ओके, हे स्टेटमेंट तुम्हाला थेरीला पण झालेलं असेल किंवा थेरी एक्झाममध्ये पण विचारू शकतात, त्याचबरोबर प्रॅक्टिकलला ओरलला पण विचारू शकतात. ओके, द अल्जेब्रिक सम ऑफ ऑल व्होल्टेजेस एनी क्लोज्ड लूप पाथ is equal to 0. Okay, and Kirchhoff's current law, the algebraic sum